Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the LG ThinQ Washer. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to turn on the LG ThinQ Washer. So how it looks like is once you actually load your clothes in there, and then you could actually load your soap right over here. So here we have the softener, here we have the actual liquid detergent. Now with it, you simply just go ahead and add your detergent and softener, and then in order to turn it on, you simply just press and hold this button here, and then once it's turned on, you'll see a bunch of presets. So here we have normal, heavy duty, bedding, speed wash, delicates downloaded, and with it, for example, if I press normal, you'll see that the temperature, spin, and soil change to like preset settings, and afterwards you just press and hold this for 3 seconds, and then it'll go ahead and start washing. Now with that, once you start washing, you'll see that there's a timer. Like here's the dryer timer. It'll usually say like 20 or 30 minutes left. So that's one thing that's really neat about this washer, in which it'll actually give you a countdown once of how much time is left of your washer. But that is essentially how to turn on the LG ThinQ Washer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.